the last video we saw, or hopefully you see together, or great, and you see, we're moving to a different section. I'm in page 355, if you're using the bottom number page. I'm in section 20.4.5, short data. And it's a very good advice at the beginning with a paragraph explaining that it's very important to select all data that want to be sorted. And I think I'm going to explain this with example. So I'm going to go to Task20U. They say open the file salary CSV. And now I have the salary here, and this is the CSV file, but I'm going to open the Excel file. So hopefully you have on your pen drive, as I mentioned previously in another video. Open with Excel from Windows. And this is one. I'm going to make sure I can see all data properly. And the task says sort data into ascending order of surname, then ascending order of forename. So surname, I can select the column, I can go here, and if it's only one, I can say A to Z, ascending order. But if I select only this, and I click on sort data, Excel, I say you want to expand the selection, because if not, if I don't expand the selection, only this, Christy King, will be sorted and the data will be wrong because Christy will no longer be King as a surname and the salary. I continue on the current selection. I'm going to do it wrong on purpose. Now, this is absolutely wrong. For a start, even this is not correct. Okay, so I'm going to undo. Okay, maybe select also only this. So I leave the titles outside. And because I'm going to curtain sort or this, sorry. Let me see if I can do this. I'm going to select all of this. I'm not explain very well. And then I'm going to custom sort. And I'm going to, as I've been asked, first in surname and add to Z, so ascending. The ascending Z to A, ascending A to Z. But at the same time, I want for forename. So I'm going to add another element, select forename, and then cell values A to Z, click on OK. And now is by set name A, A, C, C, D. And if it's the same in some of them, for example here, then use the forename as a criteria, C and then J. And then Gonzalez, Gonzalez, J and then S. And then link, link, B and then H. So actually I know that this is working. Hopefully my explanation has been good enough so you understand how to sort data in this case with two criteria at the same time.